A lot of people live in this community because they choose to live here. It's because of what a beautiful place this is. I'm Marty Coleman Hunt. I'm the Executive Director for Byrne Yuba Land Trust.
My people come here in a wagon train 1871.
Well, that's the first cut.
My mother's people have been right here ever since. This is what I choose to do. This cows is just into my blood, both sides.
The quality of the environment is really important to the quality of life here. It's very intertwined. What the Land Trust does is help support that connection between the community and the land. We build trails so that people can hike, they can mountain bike, they can picnic, or they can just go out and observe nature and really enjoy it. It's a great feeling to know that you've left something behind in the community that everyone's going to be able to use. There's a number of different ways that we go about saving land. We have all kinds of programs where we get people outdoors to do restoration activities. We will restore a wildlife habitat, we'll pull invasive weeds, we'll restore ponds and creeks. We work completely on a voluntary basis with landowners. We get to know them and what their desires are, what it is that's special about the land. We have the legal means for being able to actually protect that land the way they want it.
Somehow the land's got to be kept open. The Land Trust is doing a great job of this because they're keeping the land open.
Ranching, in particular in our community, is historic here. It goes back into the mid-1800s, and we work with ranchers to protect agriculture here. We also run a children's camp at some property that we own just outside of Nevada City called Byrne Homestead. Kids go out there and they learn all about nature. It's a great place, especially for kids, to go out and learn about where their food comes from. They get a chance to pick them and eat them, and they see that cycle of how the food starts, how it grows, where it comes from, what it tastes like. It's a wonderful experience.
I can't get along by myself. Everybody's got to go along with me, you know? If we really want this as a society, then the Land Trust has a huge part to play in this, because they're going to keep this open space. And if they let people like me run cattle on it, well then they win and everybody else wins.